Eagerly anticipated Mi 10. This is actually the Mi 10 Pro. Xiaomi released two phones in the series today. We do have a quick look at the Mi 10 phones, but this video is predominantly to do with the Mi 10 Pro. Xiaomi are going for a curved screen this time around, and the Pro has a slightly enhanced AMOLED screen as opposed to the non-Pro version. First impressions though on this screen and on the design are so good. I really like the design. I like the way Xiaomi have put this together. The Pro versions have this matte finish, as you can see, which I personally prefer. I think it looks really great. The non-Pro versions go for this shiny effect. I really do prefer the matte finish on the back of the Mi 10 Pro. It looks really superb. Although the two phones look very similar, they have some slightly different internals that basically come down to a slightly different screen. It's better on the Pro, obviously, a slightly better camera on the Pro, and better charging specs. They both have a Snapdragon 865 though. The screen on the Mi 10 Pro is a 90Hz refresh rate AMOLED panel that they say they have enhanced for much better colour reproduction. It has HDR10 plus DCI P3 colour gamut, and the peak brightness goes up to 800 nits. The specs though don't really do it justice. It is a really great looking screen. To compare this to the Xiaomi Mi 9, it really is uncomparable. It is such a big step up from that screen. The bezels are way smaller than I thought they would be. Colour reproduction is really good. The curve on the screen on both models really is quite subtle. It's definitely not one of the bigger type of curves that we usually get, certainly not a waterfall type screen either. I think when it comes to the cutout as well, Xiaomi did a pretty good job. Reverse charging, if you want to use that. All of the leaks that we were getting out before the launch were pointing towards a 65-watt fast charging solution in the Mi 10 Pro. Xiaomi are putting a 65-watt charger in the box, but the Mi 10 Pro only charges at 50 watts. They said it was because they wanted to do us a favour and have a quick charging brick in the box that we can use without other gadgets. Reading into that, we can assume that Xiaomi just couldn't work out the heating issues with the super quick charging, and so decided to turn it down to 50 watts before the launch. No headphone jack in this phone, but we do get stereo speakers. Coming to the camera, which I'm sure a lot of you are interested in, a 108 megapixel main image sensor, a 20 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 12 megapixel 2x lens, which doubles as a portrait lens, and then an 8 megapixel, what they call hybrid 10x zoom. It's about a 3 or 4x optical zoom that they then crop into to give some extra zoom range. Of course, subscribe if you do want to see the camera tests, the full reviews and the speed tests against other phones. They will be happening very soon. But first impressions are incredibly good. I took some quick snaps in the store. Obviously this isn't a camera